Truth is Beauty? Kids. Who is the author of Legend of Good Women? Chaucer. The Dream, A Midsummer's Dream is written by Shakespeare. Shakespeare was playwright. Which is the first printed anthology of English lyrics? Trottle's Miscellany. Tom Jones by Henry Fielding was first published on the first half of 18th century. Who wrote The Good Natured Man? Oliver Goldsmith. Wordsworth is a romantic poet. The Revolt of Islam is a work of Shelley. Who wrote Wuthering Heights? Emily Bronte. Who is the greatest modern English dramatist? George Bernard Shaw. Doctor's Dilemma is written by J.B. Shaw. Moby Dick is written by Herman Melville. We look before and after the pine for what is not. The quotation from P.P. Shelley's To a Shylark. এখানে বানানটা ভুল আছে। William Shakespeare is the author of King Lear.